Hi everyone. It's time for our Mixed Media Morsels Motivations page for August. So this will be page number 8. And I wanted to mention that I'm going to skip these 2 pages where in between where the 2 signatures were sewn in on my book. I may come back later and do some decorating on those, but just to keep with the same format like we've been using with the full page layout, I don't really want to have that gap there. So I've moved on to the next page, and I have covered it with a piece of my coffee stained paper. It was just a piece of printer paper that I dipped into coffee, took out, and laid out to dry. That's all I did. And it makes a really nice tone on the page. So what I thought I would add to this page this time is this cute little napkin of this little chickadee bird, and it's got a very vintagey feel, which I just kind of was feeling today. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to cut out this image, or tear out this image, and I'm going to be placing that on my page. So I'm going to use my water brush and just go along where I want it to tear out. Like so. Okay. And then gently tear it out and try not to tear into the image very much. Of course, on the edge here it's going to do that, but once you get to the inside, you just want to be really careful. And you guys can use a napkin if you want, or don't. You can make your page, as always, out of whatever you would like. I just really enjoy using these napkin images in my art journals. And I haven't done that in a little while, so I thought I would do it today. And I was kind of in the mood for a little vintagey look. So this is the one I chose. And I may use some of this, let me get that out there. I may use some of this area up in here too, see where it's like stained around the edges. I like that too, so I think that might look nice on that page. We'll see how it goes. All right, so for now, we're going to put this piece on. Okay, just like this. And I may not include all of that writing. And I'm going to have it go right across the middle of the page and spill onto the other one. Just like that. Yeah, that's cute. All right, now I'm thinking about maybe stamping on my page just a little bit of background text, because this is actually going to be my focal image. It's not going to be necessarily part of the background. So, in other words, what I mean is I'm not going to put an additional focal image. This is going to be it. So I think I want to treat the background just a little bit with some stamping. So I'm going to use some Ranger ink. This is a coffee color. Coffee, haha. My paper is coffee stained and I'm using coffee ink. That's funny. All right, so I'm just gonna do little bits here and there. And let's see what that looks like. I think I want a little bit more in this area here. Yeah, see how you can see that through there. And once it gets wet and glued down, it will really show through. All right, so I like that. And I'm going to put a little bit more here. And maybe here. Okay. I think that's pretty good. Dry that up. I think I'm just going to use some Golden Matte Medium. You can use a glue and water mixture. You can use Mod Podge. Whatever you want to use is fine. Let's see, before I do that, I'm going to put my papers in to protect the other pages. So while I have the glue and all out, I'm going to put just a little bit of that edge from the napkin on there as well. Let's see. Go ahead and cut this part. That. This is drying very quickly because my air is on and it's blowing right on my page. So that's why you're seeing this glue dry so fast. Okay, so I got the page all dry, well, for the most part dry, and it's a little bit wrinkly, but it's okay. I really like the old look to it, so a little bit of wrinkles here and there is not a problem. Okay, so I've got some washi tape in this kind of a blue color that sort of matches the leaves in this print. I thought I'd add a few pieces of this just here and there. Okay, I like that a lot. I like how the washi tape frames the page real nicely. And I've got a couple of stickers, planner stickers, and these are gold. And I'm going to put those around the page just for a little decoration. I think they look beautiful. They brighten up the page quite a lot. And then I have one more that I'm going to put right here. Like that. So that just really brightens it up to me. It just, it makes it look really nice. All right, so the quote for today is from Theodore Roosevelt. And it says, "Do what you can with what you have where you are." So, in other words, you don't have to have all the latest and greatest. Just use what you have, and you can create and enjoy it. Okay, so I'm going to glue that in place there. So I'm going to add a little bit more stamping in the background. This is just a little ink blots. I think I'm just going to randomly put them around here near where the writing is. Just adds a little bit more of the aged look to it, and makes it fun. Ties in all of these, washi tape bits and stuff like that too. Okay, and then I'm going to put a little bit down here. There we go. I think that looks pretty cool. So that's my page for today. I'm going to just go around the edge with the brown marker. It looks great. I'm going to wait to do this side because I want to outline the phrase here. There we go. Just a messy, scribbly outline. Okay. And I can come back down here to the bottom. There we go. All right. So now I can call it done. It was a very simple and quick page today, but I think it's very effective. I love, like I said, using napkin images. It just makes everything very simple and beautiful. And so if you don't have a napkin, you can certainly use, magazine images or stickers, or you can draw and paint your own art. Anything you want to do on your page is great. I would like you to still please use the quote I'm giving you so that we all have the same quotes in our motivations book, and as we share them in the Mixed Media Morsels Facebook group, it makes a little bit more of an impact for people to see that over and over again. I think it's really helpful. I appreciate all your participation in this little challenge we do each month. And I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am, because this is a fun little book to work in. So I do look forward to seeing your pages in our group, and have fun creating, and we will see you again very soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.